Okay, so students, in the virtual class, as you know, we'll solve the some of the images, some of the object that we can find out the shapes, geometrical shapes of the 10 grams. Right? I give you also homework that some of the students are confused about that. If you have any of the query, just ask me. I will also send the solutions to you. Right, like that we are going to solve the next exercise. Instruction is given to us that draw the lines to show all the 7 geometrical shapes of 10 gram. 7 geometrical shapes means the 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangle, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. Right, so you in this figure, in these 4 figures, you have to find out the 7 shapes of the geometrical for the 10 grams. So first there will be one image given to you. First and second is look similar, so I am going to solve the A and B is your homework. Like that I am solving the C and D already we solved, already we made this thing in the virtual class on the Saturday. Right, this is a cat, so you have to be solved it by yourself. Now first A that will be given and we have to find out the 7 shapes here. Okay, for the solution I just draw this in my book, but you don't have to draw this in your book. You have to be complete this work in your textbook. आपको आपकी पेंसिल ले लेनी है और उसे थोड़ी डार्क लाइंस कर देनी है, जिसकी वजह से आपको लाइन थोड़ी दिखेगी. Right, so you have to be solve it by yourself in your textbook. No need to write in the notebook. So nobody have to message me to ask that ma'am we have to be write down in the notebook or the textbook. Okay, so I'm clearly told you that you have to be solve this exercise in your textbook only with use of the pencil by draw the lines. Okay, let's start to solve. So here I can find out the easily. First of all, whenever you solve this type of the puzzle, whenever we are asking to find out the shape, geometrical shapes, then one thing you have to do it that you have to find out the shape that you can see easily. सबसे पहले आपको जो easily find होते हैं वो shape आप पहले find करो. So first of all you can see the clearly shape that is first is the small triangle. Second is here, that will be a square, that will be in the rotate form. So whenever I just rotate this, that will be comes in this form. Okay, so this is the square. Then easily I can find out here that parallelogram. You can see that here parallelogram. Then fourth shape I am finding here, that is the one triangle again. Okay, so two small triangles, one square and parallelogram we find out here. Now three shapes are remaining, that is one medium triangle and two large triangle. But I am finding here one shape here also, that will be a shape of the triangle, right? So I can draw a one line over here, that will be made a one large triangle, right? Then I draw again a second line, that will be made a second large triangle, and rest of is the medium triangle. So two large triangle, one medium triangle, small triangles, square and the parallelogram. I am writing the name, no need to write the name to you. This is the large triangle, this is also a large triangle. I am just writing that easily you can understood that. Then this is the medium triangle, this is the square, small triangle, this is also a small triangle, and this is the parallelogram. I am just writing in the short form, right? Next, B is your homework, you have to be do it by yourself. Now I am going to solve the C1. Okay, so I am ready with the drawing of the sea. I know that it's not a perfect, but you don't have to also draw, so don't worry about that how can you draw in your notebook. Okay, so first of all, the image is given to you, object image is already given to you. Here first of all, you, as I say in the previous one, you have to find out the easiest shape that you already see here. That is a one shape I can find out, that is a one square. This is the square. Next, for the other, I am using the scale. I find also 1 2 shape. Simply I just find out the 2 shape, that is the large triangle. This is also a large triangle, right? Then other shape, whenever I draw this line, I also find the other 2 shape using of this line. Yes, that will be other 2 triangles are here. That is the, this is the small triangle, this is also a small triangle. Now I also find out one other shape that is like this, that is the medium triangle, and you can find out the parallelogram here. Sorry, that will becomes like this. This is the parallelogram, right? So these are the ways that in this case I can easily find out. Whenever I find only one, then I think about the what will becomes next, then I find out the large triangles. When I just draw the lines, I can easily identify, yes, that will be a one triangle here, that is also a one triangle here. Okay, whenever you draw a one line, the next step will becomes automatically. So don't be panic whenever you don't find out the, just think about it and look the square once, twice, thrice, okay, or the 4 times, then and then you can find out the shapes easily. Okay, so here I'm going to end, and you have to be solve the homework. Homework is for you is that you have to be solve the B and D by yourself, and hopefully that you done it very good. I just trust you, and if you have a query in the B and the D, just ask me, and I hope that you don't have a query in the D. Okay, so bye students, we will meet again with the new topic. Have a good day.